Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be sharing with you guys how to prepare Escovitch fish Jamaican style. It's a very easy and simple recipe, so continue watching and join me in the kitchen. So first of all, I clean my fish with lemon and vinegar. So once my fish is all clean, I am now seasoning. First of all, I'm using some black pepper. I'm using a generous amount of black pepper as I like when my fish is very spicy and peppery. So as you can see, I'm going in with some Old Bay seasoning. I'm going in with some garlic powder. Some onion powder, of course some fish seasoning, I'm also using some all-purpose seasoning, some complete seasoning, and of course some salt. And like I said, I like when my fried fish is very spicy, so I'm using a generous amount of seasoning. So guys, as you can see, I flipped them over to season this side, and I'm also going to season the inside. So I normally slice my fish on both sides before seasoning, but I totally forget. So as you can see, I'm now slicing my fish, and also I'm adding seasoning to that little pocket that I just create. So now that I'm done seasoning my fish, I'm preparing my vegetables and seasonings to prepare the Escovitch sauce. So to make the Escovitch sauce, I'm using 1 green pepper, 3 carrots, 2 onion, thyme, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and a pimento seed. So now that the vegetable is all prepared, I'm moving on to start frying the fish. I'm using some vegetable oil. I add scotch bonnet pepper and garlic to the oil, and this will give the fish a nice flavor. So once my oil is really hot, I go in with my fish. So once I'm done frying, this is how my fried fish is looking, all golden brown and crispy. So now it's time to make the Escovitch sauce. I'm going in with garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 sprig of thyme. I'm also going in with some pimento seed, and this will give the sauce a nice flavor. So once I add my carrots and onions, I go in with a pinch of salt, also some all-purpose seasoning and some fish seasoning, and I'm going to saute this for 2 minutes. So now I'm going in with my green peppers. So once I add all my vegetables, I'm now going in with my vinegar on a medium to high heat. So now that the Escovitch sauce is prepared, I'm going to add it onto the fish, and I'm going to cover for at least 5 minutes before serving. So this is basically how I prepared my Escovitch fish. If you like this recipe, guys, please give it a thumbs up, please comment, please share, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe. Also turn your post notifications on so you will be notified whenever I post another great recipe. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. Peace out.